So when you look at this equation, you might be thinking, I have no idea what to do. But now remember, this entire chapter has been about quadratic equations. Wouldn't it be cool if this thing looked like a quadratic equation? Kind of like when we did a substitution before. So what we'd really like is we'd like for this to look like 3u squared minus 11u minus 4. And then that would fit right into everything that we've been doing. Well, we can do that. So we just have to figure out what u is. Well, if I'm saying that it's u squared, what would I need to multiply u squared by to get x to the 2/3? Well, I would need to multiply 2 by 1/3. So that means that u is going to be x to the 1/3. That does take a little practice, so if you didn't get it right off the bat, you may want to back up the video, rewatch what I just said. Of course, when you get to this again, you're going to be like, I don't want to keep doing that. It may not work. So I can now solve this equation that I have. Can I factor it? Maybe we'll get lucky. So I've got a 1 and a 3. I've got 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. What factors of those have a difference of an 11? Well, there's 12 and 1, so that's a difference of 11. So that would be 3u and u. The 3 and the 4 go together, the 1 and the 1. The signs are different. The sign of the larger is a minus. So I want to go ahead and set these equal to 0. Now I need to go ahead and plug back in my values for u. So this is going to be 3x to the 1/3 plus 1 equals 0. And this is going to be x to the 1/3 minus 4 equals 0. So I need to get the x sides by themselves. And then I'm going to divide by 3. So I'm going to get x to the 1/3 equals negative 1/3. And over here, I'm going to add 4 to both sides. I'm going to get x to the 1/3 equals 4. Now, remember, in order to get rid of that raised to the 1/3, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. So I'm going to come over here on the right, so I'm going to have x to the 1/3 times 3 equals negative 1/3 cubed. So that's just going to give me x equals, now if I cube that, I'm going to get minus 1 over 27. Now the other one, I've got x to the 1/3. Again, I'm going to cube that. And then I'm going to have to do 4 cubes. So I'm going to get x equals 64. Now, of course, the million-dollar question is, are they both a solution? In this case, they are. So you want to check that to verify it. I don't really want to take the time to do that because it would make this video even longer. Remember, make sure you know how to do set notation as well. And that's it.